take those down. Okay, so I've taken all the twists down. Now I'm just going to get my gel. Today I'm going to be using the Eco Style Professional and Natural and Synthetic Hair. I'm also going to be using my Smooth and Shine loose and just a little bit of water spray. I'm going to go ahead and pull this piece out here. Another piece here. So now I'm just going to start to form a ponytail at the very top. Alright, so I have my ponytail prepared at the top. And I'm just going to take a band and wrap it at the very, very tip of the ponytail. It's not going to be tight on the ponytail because I want to go ahead and smooth in those edges. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like right now. So I'm just going to spritz it really lightly with some water. You really don't have to if you've done exactly what I've done and have your hair already kind of stretched a little. I really don't need to, that's just an added step. So now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush smooth the hair. Then I'm going to take some gel and smooth that on my hair. And now I'm really going to just focus on my edges. So now I'm just going to smooth and grab all of the hair, and I'm going to take this band out now. Be careful when you're doing that. So now I've got a pretty good grip on my hair. So I'm just going to continue to smooth, and now I'm going to take my brush . Okay, so now this ponytail is nice and tight. I'm going to take a hair band and I'm going to wrap it around very tight. Extra measure. I'm going to take one more band, move that hair, there we go. Now we're completely done with the ponytail portion of this side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the top portion of my hair and I'm going to make a bow. I'm just going to start with twisting. I'm just going to let it wrap into a bun. My bobby pins is a kid. Next step, I'm going to take the porcelain Evolve wrap cap and take it out of the package, and I'm just going to wrap it around my head and let my hair completely dry.